All right, right now I'm looking at number 23 and 25 together because they're very similar. And we're just looking at these relational operations, and we're trying to determine what the truth value of them is. And the question is asking, is this always true? Well, in this case, we see that 1 is less than 0. Well, that's a false statement, right? This is false. So, yeah, this is always going to be true because this is vacuously true. As we've said before, if, P is false, then P implies Q has to be vacuously true. So in this case, it really doesn't matter what's going on here on the right-hand side because the left-hand side is false, and therefore this statement is always going to be vacuously true. And again, we're going to look down here, and we're trying to determine, what is the truth of this statement? 2A is greater than A. Is 2A always greater than A? And the answer is no. No, it's not. One example I could think of is 0. If A is equal to 0, then that's going to be 2 times 0 greater than 0, which is not true. 0 is equal to 0, but it's not greater than 0. But the other obvious example is that if A is anything negative, if A is -3, then we have -6 is greater than -3, which is not true. -3 is a greater number than -6. So again, we have this case where this is our P. Our P is this statement right here, and it is false. And if the P in our P implies Q is false, then that means that this is always going to be vacuously true. So the answer for both of these is going to be true. This is true. And this is true.